June 1st, folks, June 1st. Welcome you all back to the China shop, China land. I got a smile on my face. Rich just left. It's a little after 2. Thanks, Richie, for all the work, all the help. There's no way I can do this kind of stuff on my own. And I'll show you what we did. Todd come and picked his cart up yesterday. Brakes were bled. We did the alignment and everything. We checked it. I really didn't even loosen an outer bolt. We'll get into that kind of thing next time we do it. But when you got a lot of deflection in your kingpin wear, it doesn't make a lot of sense to set it up real accurately on a stand. When you put it on the ground, it's going to be different. When it's rolling on the ground with a driver in it, different even more. So knowing those factors, we're going to throw a wrench in the cogs. We just kind of checked it statically on the stand, and it was real close as it was. It was. It looked like the toe was in a little bit. Once you put it on the ground, put a driver in it, it's naturally going to open up because of the weight you put on the cart is going to draw each spindle toward one another, which is going to take your toe out. It's going to add toe out. Follow me? So that went smoothly. He packed up and took off. We'll see him Monday at the track out at Grattan. Rich came and helped me get the rack out of the trailer. 4-banger on the bottom, aired up all the tires, 4-bangers down below. We got the hot rod jacked up on stands, on the stand here on the top of the rack, so we're good. We don't have to put stuff in and out of the trailer to keep the garage clear. We got Bray's second cart on Larry's other rolling stand. Took a little work. Larry didn't want to go on there, but the cart he's running is under the blue cover. It's just leaning up against the pole there, bungeed to the pole. But we've done a lot of rearranging. He didn't take the other stand. What we did is that's right, look at that. Our 10x20 Cabana. Man, we've had this thing forever and ever. Way back in the early 2000s, this thing took off at Road America and went right over top of the trailer and disappeared. We had bungees on here with full 5-gallon fuel jugs. And when we looked, the legs were pointing straight to the stars. The bungees were stretched as far as they could, and I am not exaggerating. The 5-gallon jugs had to be 40 feet in the air. And this thing took off, went over top of the trailer, and there was a concession stand back there. At the time, we were holding Brad Hunt's canopy down. Road America notorious for tearing up canopies. And as we were holding Brad's down, he said, "Robert," and I turned, and when I looked, saw the thing inverted upside down above the trailer and the jugs 40 feet in the air. I thought, oh my God, someone's going to get killed. Thank God on the other side between the concession stand and the grass behind our trailer, there was a small 4 to 5, 6 foot high, 4 foot high cyclone fence that caught the canopy. Or it would have took out 20, 30 people that were in line to get a bratwurst up there, Road America. So we got a place out of the rain, direct rain for our lawnmower. Rich brought the push mower over so we can cut the ditch now. Got some other things out here just to hold this plastic down until we can pin it down. We've got stakes and stuff, tent stakes and whatever in the back. Right now, I want to get things hunkered down. You see the trailer got grass and crap all over. I'm taking the whole rig up to up the street to St. Clair to a drive-through car wash, and I'm gonna just get it all hosed down. I know it may rain later on tonight, but I can't run this thing down the road with the winter, the country. It's got country all over it, folks. And although I'm all about the country now, I can't have this. It is still a fashion show, even heading down the highway, right? You know what I'm saying? So we're pretty excited. We got a lot done. Richie helped me get all that stuff done. We had the trailer out. Took the scooter for finally got it running. Took it for a rip up and down the road. Chuck, that's your job. I put spray paint marks on the track, and you were with me when we went looking for the camera in April. So it's going to be your job to get on the scooter, since you don't have your quad, and make sure all the cones are on those spots. Big Daddy designating the authority. I'm giving you, Chuck, the authority to set the cones, baby. And you can tear up little scoots all you want. I'm really looking forward to getting out of here for a weekend. I mean, it may be a Sunday, Monday, but it's still, it's 2 days, so we call it a weekend. not coming back till Tuesday. We're going to spend the night and come home Tuesday. So, yeah, we're looking forward to it. We're really looking forward to weather. And people are telling me, oh, Robert, I see some rain in the forecast. Well, I don't see it. Everywhere I looked for weather has had a very minimal chance. And if it is, it's at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, Monday night out there. So, you know, like a 20%, I'll take 20% chance at noon. Nothing. So that's it for June 1. We're heading into summer, folks. Really looking forward to getting this test day thing behind me. Whether I'm going to drive the Yamaha or not, who knows. If Rich is having fun and Mike's cart's running and he's having a good time, I may not say anything to him. I may just slip the Azusa jacket on, Bob. Throw a helmet on and have somebody fire me up. And if it starts and runs, I'll try to go chase him down and surprise him. But shh, don't tell him. Rich, you didn't see this. Love y'all. Hang in there. It's going to get better, man. We're heading to the racetrack for the first time since April. Summertime, man. Summer. T-shirt, shorts, sun, vitamin D. We're digging it. Hang in there, y'all. We're praying for you.